Hi and welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your Parler account private. It's pretty easy, so let's start and open Parler application. Now we have to get to the settings, but first we have to open the menu, and we do that by tapping on these three dashes in the top left corner. Now go to Settings and Privacy, then to Privacy, and we have to toggle the private account on. And it says your account will be private, posts will be only shown to people you approve, and it's best for private individuals. And that's exactly how you make your Parler account private. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Goodbye.